Yo, what's up, my people? This Jay again, guys. Here we comes back with our results, guys. So this is a BTC. As we took this BTC, let me just give you more details again before you understand what happened. I just want you to check this. This is a 4 hours time frame. Just check this level. You know, I'm not gonna have a time to draw it correctly, but I think you can see this, after this went up, guys. I want to show you the exactly zone that we were supposed to be careful with. Then after breaking it, then we were supposed to be in. This was the zone that we were supposed to wait for price to break in, because you can clearly see that after breaking here, you can see after breaking the trend line, uptrend trend line, once price comes down and break this zone from behind there, then it just breaks it and retested it. After testing it, then there was no way back. Everyone could see this. So what I was waiting for taking this entry was this previous candle. I was waiting for this zone to be broken where I took entry from. I was waiting for this price to break down into this previous candle. After breaking this, then I took entry without hesitating. So it was easy to understand that after that there was nothing else that was gonna be happening instead of selling, because there was nothing like a buy exactly. As you can see, after uptrend trend line got broken, then you could understand that there is nothing could just push this market to go back up. After checking, let me show you, after checking this previous high, you can clearly see where it comes from. When you come this side, then you will understand that price have tried to break up. It managed to break and open this candle. Instead of opening another candle, another bullish candle, it just opened bearish candle. Once it crossed this bearish candle, then it created another bearish candle, and then it comes after this zone, this previous high, when price goes down, it breaks it. Once it comes back also and break this, exactly was the time to say that this is going nowhere up, it's just going down. So these two zones indicates a strong sell. Everyone could see this, but we needed to wait for a confirmation. After this uptrend trend line were broken, then we were waiting for this also to break into this zone that comes from that side. You can clearly see where it comes from. I will just explain this if you don't understand this. This is strong because when price went up from where it comes from and breaks it straight, it came to retest it, which was a way of showing a power of the buyers. But when buyers went up with this movement where they stopped and price comes back here to retest the same zone that were retested here, and then from there price never goes up against the previous high. It didn't get a chance to go there. Instead, it just gives us this um downtrend trend line. you know you can clearly see that we've been moving below this trend line. Now when price comes back and goes up, you can see where it stopped from. After stopping from there, then you can clearly see that we didn't get any other movement that managed to break this resistance. So which means this was getting stronger and stronger each and every minute. And once price comes here, it started to consolidate. It didn't just manage to go down and didn't manage to go up. Once it comes here under the downtrend trend line also, you're still seeing it. Now what price did was to like pretend to break, you know After pretending this, you can see when it opened this bearish candle, it didn't open the second one. It rejects immediately and created this bullish one and went up, which means there was no way here to confirm a trend, a entry, because after trading this, after breaking this, it was supposed probably to create this candle and create another bearish candle which was coming to break the close of this, but instead it created a bullish and went up, which means we were still relying on our consolidation, checking what is happening, what's gonna happen. Instead, when it goes up, it didn't also manage to break this trend line. Remember, we still have strong resistance and this trend line. Once trend line wasn't broken, now price kept on going down until it managed to break this supporter, which was strong enough. So after breaking this and create another bearish, it was enough time for everyone to sell. It was enough time to sell. But as you can see, these 4 hours, someone who sold in a 15-minute time frame, he managed to make money. But this wasn't a ticket to just keep holding this, because we should have checked also their time frame. That's where things get clear. So now if we did this for a short time, I think you have seen my video where we sold this for a short time in a 15-minute time frame. So now from here you can see the movement. So here now is where we started to look for an entry of a longer distance. So now when the price pushed up, you can clearly see that price went up enough. I think you can see this. So after pushing up here, this is the entry that we were waiting for. Because for the buyers, if you could have bought, then you understand that you managed to make cash. But if you didn't buy, then it was a good time to buy from this buy. I think also you have seen that we bought BTC. So now what happened after buying this, now check when the price comes back. Now we were looking for a sell entry, downtrend entry, which is where I started from explaining what happened. So what happened is that, guys, because I've been checking the movement, BTC movement, I've been checking it. That's why until now we still have this 110 USD per position, because I just used the risk management. As you can see, I used 0.05, which is not that big lot size. And now, our target is always a half of our account balance, or to double it. So since we managed to double our account, I don't see any reason for us to keep on holding this. What we can do now is to just close this and wait for another chance. Today is Friday, the week is closing. Let's close this and wait for Monday. So Monday we're going to start in another week where we are going to make a good cash. I hope you're gonna be one of us. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. We're going to start a new week with full of confidences. So I would like to answer some of you guys who have been asking me about promo. Promo, you can see what we have is 918, which is enough for us. Our count from 600 to 1.5 is not bad. So promo will start soon. And some of you who have been asking me about the Kira, if it will have also promo, I'm here to help you guys. I need to see you making money under my help. So that's why I decided to put every service that I give out on 50%, so it can be easy for each and every one of you guys. So let's meet there in the DM. I will leave Telegram link in the description below. If you have any question or any problem, just don't hesitate to reach me out. Then I'll be there for you. And also, you know where to get me through WhatsApp. So, my people, enjoy the weekend ahead. Jay loves you.